Hello friends, is money everything? When you don't have the money, then you think that money is the everything. Because with the help of money, you can fulfill your demands. You can purchase a lot of things of your use. And when you don't have money, then you face a lot of problems, worldly problems. But being all things, money is not each and everything. There are lot of things, lot of problems that you cannot solve them with money. For those problems, I think that you have to do some other things, such as when you fall ill. First of all, you need money to make your checkup, to consult a doctor. And when your disease is diagnosed and that is very serious, not curable, doctor refuse to cure because your body condition is not suitable for medicines, and the doctor says that take rest at home. So at that moment, money cannot help you. In a relationship, when you are in a relationship or you are husband wife and your relations are not good, and your wife wants divorce from you, at that moment your money will not help you. There are so many other things that with money you cannot purchase all the happiness, such as any your loved ones in your family when dies, then you cannot bring that person back with the power of money. Although money, you can with the help of money you can purchase lot of things and happiness, but not each and everything. So make a balance between these two things, money and your activities, your relationship. Don't break your relationship with your family, with your relatives, just for the sake of money. Because I have seen some people, they are always busy to earn the money, and our society is that they are giving respect to those people who are wealthy. They have much wealth. But having lot of money does not mean that the other person is respectable. For becoming respectable, lot of other things are necessary. What you are thinking from your inner side, what is your behavior for the humanity, and what is your way of talking, what is your way of justice, so many other things. And whenever you see people in pain, you also feel pain, then you are a good human being. And our society is going towards a wrong path because they are giving respect to those people who have money. People can earn money. I have seen some people, those are not educated, but still they are wealthy. Educated people are working under their supervision. And for money, I think that luck matters a lot. Hard work is necessary, but with hard work, luck matters a lot. If you are lucky, you can earn a lot of money. You can get different kind of chances, but due to unlucky situation, sometimes we fail to get a chance, better chance in life. Hope you found this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, if you are new, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.